Welcome to Textile Tutorials. In these next few videos, we're going to show you how to get started texting with Textile's business texting platform. In this first video, we're going to show you how to get logged in and also how to add additional users to your Textile portal so that you and your team can start texting with your customers right away.
Once you've signed up for Textel, you will receive an email letting you know when you're ready to log in to your newly text-enabled business phone number. The email should look just like this. It tells you what your username is, and it gives you a link to set your password. If you don't receive this email, make sure to check your spam or your junk folder. Click on the link to set your password. This is where you will choose a password for your newly text-enabled business phone number. Confirm it here. Now you can go ahead and log in to the Textile web portal. Your number should already be populated for you, and enter the password that you just set and click Login. Now you are logged in to the Textile web portal. You can see the phone number that you text-enabled for your business over here in the top right, and also this is the username of the email address that you provided at sign-up. You can send a new text by clicking this button, and all of the conversations that you will have with customers are organized over here on the left. We're going to show you how to set up additional users for team members so that they can also text with customers. Go over here to the top left and click the drop-down menu. Go to Settings and click on Users. You can see that we already have a couple of users created, and we're going to create an additional user and show you how this works. Type in the username that you would like to use for that user, their name, and their email address. You can make a user either an operator or an admin. An admin has all the privileges of deleting text messages, changing admin settings like auto replies and keywords. An operator is only able to send and receive text messages and does not have access to some of those admin settings. Make sure that the user is active so they can start texting right away, and click on Create User. Now you can see that the user is created, and once you have set them up as a user, they'll receive an email giving them instructions to set their password and log in, just like you did to log into the Textile web portal. Once your additional user has logged in, they will see the same texting web portal that you see here, and they'll be able to send text messages back and forth with customers. The only difference is that when they send a text, their username will display at the bottom of that text message within the Textile web portal so that you can tell as a team who sent which text message to which customer. Great, that concludes our training for today. Now you know how to log into the Textile web portal and add additional users so that your team can start texting with customers from your newly text-enabled business phone number.